Welcome to the first video of Hands-on React Native. In this video, we would see what is React Native and what all benefits and features it provides. So React Native is an open source JavaScript library to build iOS and Android apps. It provides a collection of native components and platform APIs which can be blended together to create beautiful apps. React Native apps are written in JavaScript, and it compiles JavaScript into respective native code of iOS and Android. Thousands of apps across the globe are using React Native, such as Facebook, Instagram, Tesla, Shopify, etc. You can log on to reactnative.dev/showcase to discover more such amazing apps which are powered by React Native. Now, React Native comes packed with a great array of features which makes developer experience quite good. The apps are written in a declarative coding style, where you just need to express your requirements without having to explicitly code the steps or mechanisms involved behind that. With hot reloading, you can edit your code in runtime without losing the state of your app. It's quite helpful when you're debugging or tweaking your UI. With fast refresh, you get near instant changes as soon as you edit and save your code, and your app refreshes within just a second. It also supports custom JavaScript debuggers and has a developer menu for debugging. It also provides a support for custom JavaScript debuggers and has a developer menu to debug React Native apps. You can also write native code in both iOS and Android, and React Native can seamlessly integrate those native modules. Now, React Native is not only used to develop apps from scratch, but it can also be integrated with existing native iOS and Android applications. So why should you choose React Native? Because it's cost efficient. So developer resources are not required for different platforms of iOS and Android. Even a single developer could build your app from scratch till end. As React Native builds app for both iOS and Android, you just need to maintain a single code base. As React Native is quite mature, it has a rich ecosystem for third-party libraries and plugins for integration. And you can use your existing knowledge, which can be leveraged, which drastically reduces development times and efforts. As we have already seen that React Native apps are used across the globe by prominent market players such as Facebook, Instagram, etc., it makes React Native quite trusted to be used. And it's backed and maintained by Facebook and other great engineers in the open source community. So by now, I'm pretty sure that you're quite excited and thrilled to learn more about React Native. In the next video, we'll see how React Native works.